Fat Boy's always the one to stay. Monroe will get in there. Bubba's a great uncle. I think he thinks he's the daddy again. That's okay though. We'll take it. Little tails wagging. Teach me how to play. And these two are on their own somewhere. Screen them all. Everybody's doing their own thing. You getting there, Bubba? Huh? Little boy Blue always just chills behind him. He's playing. He don't care. He ain't bothered by nobody. Fat Boy's over there. Look at you, Fat Boy. Fat Boy. He's on his tummy. What a goofy. What a goofy he is. Be nice. Be nice. Bubba, you done playing?